Alright guys, room 10284 on the Carnival Vista. Here we are. It's gonna be a little room tour. We got an interior room this time. Save a little money. Here with my cousin Eddie. What up, Eddie? Drinking out of wine glass. I see you. I see you. Alright, well, let's start off here. Basic cruise ship room. Got your safe. I forgot to put my wallet in the safe right there, but I'll put my wallet in the safe. Here. Yeah, buddy. It's a little smaller than what I'm used to. You know, I'm used to the little balconies, but it's all good. I'd rather save some money. It's a 7-day cruise. We got our sodas. Put some in the fridge right here with our wine. Or is it wine? I would never know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, these are my new cards. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna be giving these out. If anybody asks about what I'm doing, my Facebook, Instagram, at Sam's Crazy Life. Yeah, I got, what is that? Some rib. I got some rib stuff on my fingernail.
Those ribs are good.
Email samscrazylife365@gmail.com. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about these cards? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. But you got your snoozing. And then you got your cruising. I don't know where the cruising pass is at. Man, I don't know what's going on. Like, so I'm gold status. So usually I'm supposed to have an extra water bottle. Like these are the ones they want you to buy. I think I'm supposed to have like an extra. And I don't have my pin. I don't have like my gold pin that they give you for the gold members. So
and you get the gold, the little stuff on the most.
Yeah. So I need to talk to our room steward about that. But here's the restroom, typical, cruise restroom. But yeah, that's about it. I think I might make this a separate video, other than my actual cruise video. So I'll let y'all know. We're on the Vista 7-day cruise. This is it. Anything to add, cuz?
Nothing much. We're just here to have a good time, baby. 7 days on the cruise. Let's have fun.
Let's get it. All right, guys. I'm out. I'll see y'all.